Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. This is my subject today. I shot it for a long time ago. This was a commercial for a cake company in Okinawa. Well, one of the famous cake company. Well, I used a 4x5 reversal film a long time ago. Okay, make a creative image from this base image, and I also made this line pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Use a filter called Find Edges, and well, 2 images. Let's try make a creative image. Well, let's get started. I'm gonna change the layer mode of this pencil drawing type. Blend mode, no more to darken. Then opacity down to about 50% or so. Then go back to base image here. Now I'm going to duplicate from this base image. Duplicate layer, then turn base image, turn off. Just keep it right now. And okay, I'm gonna work on this base duplicate image. First of all, convert to pixel layer, then watercolor wash flat, make it biggest size 512, and water flow 100 max. Then no painting, just water. Okay, just add the water in the outside. Just drop the watercolor image type. That's so neat. Add the water from light side to outside. Just drop the water on the watercolor paint. I just painted. It's wet now. That's so cool. Well, let's go for outside first. Isn't that amazing? Well, I'm going to change the brush to watercolor wash soft, and also size largest, water flow max. Then again, add water. Okay, now go smaller brush, less water. Now you see the dry flowers here, how it's gonna change. Add touch water to blend. It's out of focus anyways, doesn't make difference, not much. Maybe this is too much, huh? Maybe, I don't know. This is my first time to draw like this. Sort of experimentation. Try out. Let's see it. You still can see that coffee cup and the knives and stuff. Knife, forks. Okay. Now some part. Okay, now I'm gonna add some more water around here. How much I can break down this. Keep on adding water. As I go all the way to the edge of the photo, how much does it go? Well, keep going, add water. Doesn't go anymore. Even though I keep adding water, seems like that's all. Yeah. Doesn't go anymore outside. Oh, let's go. Yes, it does. Wow. This side goes outside. Okay, but it doesn't. What makes difference? Okay, now, wow, it's messy, huh? Well, what if I add some color on this, like same kind of tone, brownish ink, just a touch. Yeah, it does. We can paint on this outside. Okay, now pick some color from here, and then just add it. And this is painted on. And make it, oh, it's 100. Go to maybe 47. Less color. Okay, it's adding watercolor, so it goes outside. Now how about this reddish? Tone down to 50 about. Okay, I guess that's it for this. Okay, I have this base image, clear image. This is one. I'm gonna move this one, and in between this line, pencil drawing. This is the base image, right? Now I'm gonna convert. Oh well, create empty mask, invert mask. Now we are looking at this. Let's see, I'm gonna create empty mask, then invert mask, then reveal this watercolor breakdown image. I choose painting to old bristle, and size is pretty big. It's now, you see rough image. Then I'm gonna, now this time this is photo image, base image. I made mask already. I'm gonna reveal this with, now I'm gonna change the brush basic to soft round opacity. Now choose a brush not that big, and this is real soft round. Smoothing 30. I don't know how much it's gonna smooth it up. Okay, now this image underneath, we don't see this. I mean, we don't know what that is because you used to put the water in and then break down everything like water flow too much. So I'm gonna now reveal with a little bit smaller, just a touch more, about 160 or so. Then I'm gonna reveal this lamp to the photo image. Also about 60% of the revealing this image too. We still see that the water flow image and also some of photo real image. Now it's gonna help to see the more sharper image, some of it, not everything complete. This main subject of the cakes, I'm gonna reveal pretty much. I want to show nice cakes and also see this lamp. There is a knife and fork here. Show this what that is. And also we have, what's this now? Coffee cup. That's right. Reveal this watercolor image too. Show the outside of the frame. Then reveal this image here. We want some watercolor image. It's a combination of the real photo image and watercolor image. Okay, that's about it. Now, one more thing. I want to add brightness contrast. Then go up, brightness. Watch the cake, main subject. Then contrast, go up about 30. Brightness goes to about 40. Now I'm going to add another one. This time color balance. Touch yellowish, but well, mid-tones. I'm going to add some red, then shadow side. Go down to cyan, then go to yellow, some blue, just a touch. Highlight side goes to a little more red. Touch 4. Okay. Now, this is color balance. This is brightness contrast. Now I'm going to create empty mask, the invert mask. Now change the brush to soft round opacity. Then I'm going to reveal this, which is how much I want to bright the image. So go up a little bit bigger size and a little real smooth. Then this goes to 100%. I want to bright this cake's main image, and also here. Need more light. Okay, you see here the mask. Then again, this color balance. Well, if I can copy this copy mask, then I am gonna add this, create empty mask, and then paste mask. Done. So we have, this one is just, let's see, opacity. I changed the color here, right? Here we go. Mid-tone is red, 5 red, on and off. I'm gonna show you this color image. Can you tell difference though? Yeah, shadow side, you can see it. Then brightness contrast, same thing again, on and off. You see the difference. Okay. Now, is that it? Yes, I think. Oh, okay. We have this line image, which is this dark spot. I guess just turn it off. We don't need this pencil image here. And also, I wanna just touch up. I'm gonna clean up this straight lines of the main image, which is this one. You see? So I'm gonna hide this. Same, well, this time goes to not painting, basic to soft round fine. Yeah, but this size, then hide. You see, you can use it to hide this straight lines here and also here. Just opacity down just a touch, and also here. Well, this is changed. We need a texture, so painting to Old Bristol. This is one small. Okay, that's it for today. I just brightened, change the color balance, make to this mask, and also the photo image I show this much, and watercolor breakdown image this much. Okay, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video. I hope this is gonna help. Well, give you some kind of idea to create something interesting image for you guys. And you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.